Here is the Toyota Sienna. Let's go ahead and open up the hatch. Now the process for the left and right strut is the exact same. The key to doing this right is to get a small flathead screwdriver. If you get a big one, that's going to make it slightly harder. So get a small flathead screwdriver that goes right in that slot. One thing to keep in mind, the moment you take one of the struts out, the hatch is going to want to come down. It cannot stay in place supported by just one strut. So you either need a friend to keep it up or you need to support the hatch with your back while you're doing this job. Let's put the screwdriver right in there and pull the clip out just a little bit. The key to doing this right is get the screwdriver in there, pull it out a little bit, twist it, and then yank it out. And out it comes. So put the strut back over there in that position so that keeps on supporting the hatch a little bit, making your job a little bit easier while you're taking the bottom end out. Same thing, get the screwdriver right in there and pull this clip out just a little bit. You don't have to get that clip off. The clip may just fly off if you try to take it off too much. Just grab it and pull it out. When you're putting it back in, again, you just have to make sure that the clip is in this pulled out position. Put the bottom end first, put the clip back in place. Repeat it with the top end. Just pull the clip out. Get it back on that ball over there. And then let go of the clip. And that's it. Now it's secured. And that's about it. It's the exact same process for the left and right struts. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.